Hello, everybody. I know what you're asking. What is the assignment for today? The assignment for today is to take at least 20 amazing photos with your smartphone and organize them and then send me a screen capture that you took those photos. It's fun. It's amazing. We're going to go and do a scavenger hunt right now. So join me, get some cool photos because those photos will be very important in future assignments. So are we ready to have fun? Heck yeah, we are. Let's go take photos. So how is this gonna work? I bet you're asking. So I'm gonna tell you. You, number one, check the title of this video right now for the assignment due date. 2, pause, rewind, stop, go back, forward, whenever you need to in order to understand the assignment and complete the assignment. 3, if you have questions, email me. 4, do you need more help besides just email? Then ask for Zoom and we can one-on-one Zoom. And always have fun. Fun, 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 fun. Yes. What's the assignment? The assignment is to use your smartphone to take at least 20 new photos. New photos, please. Load those photos onto your computer, use AirDrop or email them to yourself, whatever works. Make a folder on your computer, right-click, choose New Folder, or go to Menu, New Folder. Name the folder, select the folder name, and type a new name. And you can name it whatever is appropriate for you. Open the folder and make more folders with a descriptive name, and place your photos into the folder. These are just a few quick thoughts for you to keep in your mind while you're out there. So make sure you're taking pictures of things that you like, things that interest you, capture action and emotion, look at the lighting and where it falls, and don't forget cloudy and rainy days make great days for taking pictures. Try a different angle or perspective. Shoot from above, below, tilt the camera, lay on your back, step on a ladder, whatever. Never stop taking pictures. Look through your past photos and constantly add to your library. And guess what? Bonus. If you look through your pictures constantly, you're going to be inspired for art in the future. And so always add to that library. Always collect images that make you smile, make you angry, make you frustrated, make you happy. Whatever, those emotions and those images will totally inspire you for future projects. I bet you're thinking, what the heck photos should I take? I would highly recommend you get several pictures of texture. Texture is a brilliant thing. So open your eyes and let's go look for texture. Excellent work, Mojo. That's what I'm talking about. Texture. This will make an amazing photograph. Good work. Boom. Hey, get over here. You come back with my amazing photograph. Come here. How am I supposed to get a photo of it? Oh, check out the bricks. That's the sound of the camera. Take a picture of it. This is just in my backyard. More texture. Boom. Photograph. Roses. Let's get them. Boom. Photograph. Keep looking. Texture in this. Yes. Got it. The bark. The rocks. The tree. The palm fronds. And things that you might not think would work for photography or backgrounds or great imagery would. Just get up close. What? Awesome. What about this one? Yep. What about this one? Yep. That one too. Hello. Did I just hear someone say, what about action photos? Heck yeah, check out Wonder Woman. Of course, that's action. We want running, jumping, personality faces, emotion, people, dogs, whatever. Get them in action, get them doing fun things, and those will also make brilliant photos. Keep looking. Mojo, you ready to do this with me? Let's do it. Get some cool images. Woo! So when you're taking photos, always look at the light. Where is it? What's it doing? Is it half and half, half shade, half light? Should I come all the way into the shade because you get more depth? Look at all that gross dog hair. Oh, that's disgusting. Or should I be in the light? No, there's not enough depth. Unless the light is doing something interesting, then yeah, you might consider it. So here's this in full light. It works. Yeah, it would work. But what about coming over here and look at how much more depth there is in the total shade? There's also a dime. Yes, free dime, bonus. Oh, and look, I get to take a picture of that now that Mojo dropped it. Did you just ask me what other photos should I take, Melissa? I am stuck. I can't think. I don't know what to get. Well, my number one, maybe not my number one, but a very good point is to always take photos of what you like. You've got to like the photos because guess what? You're going to be designing with those photos. So make sure you're scouring the world for amazing photos and you're constantly saving them and building your library. Because when you use your own photos and not internet photos, then you own the artwork straight out. And isn't that way better than borrowing images off the internet? Yes, it is. So let's go. Let's keep looking. Find things you like. Here's a couple pictures, right, that I just took. I'm not going to teach you this right now, but this is called blending mode. And it's a quick, amazing tool that will completely blend your images together. So watch. Let's just pick something. Hard light. So this and this are blending together. You can't really tell, right? But what if I do the same with the picture of me jumping off the diving board with hard light? Now we're talking. They're blending together in an interesting way. But if they were both just textured images, you can't really see what's happening. What if I went out and found a really cool picture of buildings when I was downtown and I laid on my back and took this photo? Let's try hard light now and turn on the image. Woohoo! There's a quick example of why it's important to have a lot of cool photography at your fingertips, and way better if it's your own photography. So how do you make a new folder? There are several ways. You can right-click on your mouse, new folder. There it is. When it's blue like that, it's ready for you to type. So I'm going to write photo library. You can name it whatever works for you. What's the other way? Let's go up on your Finder. It should say Finder in the left corner, File, New Folder. Or Shift Command N. Now these are if you're on a Mac computer. If you're on a PC using Microsoft, it will be different. So again, it's blue and ready to type. What if it's not blue anymore? A slow click on the title will allow you to change the name again. Photo library. Okay, so now that we have our photo library folder, let's make more folders. How do we do it? The same way. Right click, new folder, or on a Macintosh, Shift Command N, or File, New Folder. So whatever feels comfortable for you. And then I'm going to name these with descriptive names that match my photos. Texture. I know I have animals. I'm going to start dragging in the photos that I took pictures of for the assignment. I know this is texture. I'm going to click and drag and drop it right in there. Click, drag and drop it. I know this is a flower. I'm going to click, hold my mouse, drag and drop it right there. Here's another plant picture. Click, hold my mouse down, and drag and drop it into the folder. So I'm organizing my folders. Once you have them all organized, I would like you to put it in the list mode so I can see that you took 20 photos, and you use this little arrow to open them. And then there should be at least 20 new photos. Once you have your photos, you're going to take a screen capture or you're going to take an actual photo. Those instructions are in the video. So I'm going to open up my photo library so you can see how I'm adding to it. Here's Melissa's photo library. I'm looking at it in the list mode up here. I have animals, buildings, objects, outdoor scenes, people. This is my training on resolution, texture. And I'm going to keep building this. There's another way to look at these, which is in the view mode. And you can look at them by dragging this bigger. And then when I open this, I can see them. So play around with these modes so you can pick and choose what's best for you at the time that you need it. But again, for the assignment, I need them in the list mode. So now that you've finished taking some pictures and you've organized your pictures, how do you turn in the assignment? Well, first you choose. You're going to take a screen capture of the open folders, or you're going to take a photo with your iPhone of the open folders. Once you have that image, you're going to email it to me or upload to your IA account assignment. 3, I will email you that the assignment was received and done correctly, and wha-bam, you're done. Awesome. Good job.